guys, welcome to my channel Veera Tech 24. In this video I'm gonna show one laptop to you guys, which is not Dell or HP or Lenovo anything, and which is not Asus also or anything else. But this is very interesting, guys, because I brought this laptop 1 year back, but still I liked it very much, this laptop, because the way it looks very premium and the features about this, and each and every details I'll explain in this video. First of all, let me show you this laptop to you guys. See, this is the laptop you can see, and this is very best laptop I can see. I mean, I can feel that when I brought this, and this is very good laptop. So yeah, let me show you each and every video of this laptop. And before that, let me explain you specifications about this laptop. It comes with i5 processor and 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage, not a HDD. Okay, remember this. And Windows 10 and Intel graphics, that is 620 inbuilt, and it will not come with MS Office. So remember, guys, MS Office is not coming in this video. There is only one drawback I can say, but don't worry, guys, this laptop is very good for each and every use. I can say each and every use it is very good. So I'll give you more details about this pros and cons in this video. Okay, guys, don't miss this video and watch till end. And guys, how many of you know that there was one laptop in old generation that has been ruled all the laptops? I'm talking about Sony's VIO, that is VAIO, right? So from them again one more laptop I'm showing, but don't assume that that is completely manufactured by Sony or VIO. So these laptops looks very good, but they are telling it is manufactured by them. So I'm not sure how truth it is, but I read it in the portal, that is they manufactured some of the parts of this laptop. And guys, this laptop is manufactured by Hong Kong country. Okay, guys, now about system information. Like last video I have shown you how to check system information and other details. So just go to system information by clicking Windows and type system information. So that is one way of checking. You can get through Windows run also, even that also works. So there is a system information. You can see all the details here, like which brand manufacturer, and other details as well, and RAM, other details also you can check here. Okay, this is also one way of checking. Okay, this is also one way of checking. Just click on the Windows and click on the settings and go to about. I mean, by clicking system and just click on the about. So there you can see the device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, product ID. So all these details, and you can see the Windows specifications in the down. So currently my laptop is 8 GB RAM, as you can see, and it is a i5 processor. It's a very good processor in this laptop, I would say. And I got this Windows operating system to this laptop as Windows 10 when I brought it. So later I updated it. Like I just keep on clicking on a Windows update, so it got updated. It's very important to update your laptop, because every month Microsoft is going to release the security updates. So that's very important that you need to update the security updates. Okay, guys, now as I shown you Windows update, right? So just click on the Windows and go to settings, then come to Windows update. Here you can see the details, so which Windows update is currently running. So you also can update it by clicking on the check for updates. Sometimes what happens, You can also look for the current version of the, I mean, current details, which is installed last month. These one way of checking, like just for click on the check for updates, you will get all the latest updates. So just click on in the updates and download, then automatically install. Once it is installed, it will ask for a restart. So while restarting, you can see the it is updating the backend on the screen. It will show. It's very important about ల్యాప్టాప్. సో ఒక్కసారి మీరు కొన్నాక, సో ల్యాప్టాప్ ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది, ఎంతవరకు పర్ఫామ్ చేయగలదు అనే దానిపైన చాలామంది చూస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఈ సిస్టమ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ గురించి చూపిస్తాను బై ఓపెనింగ్ ఆల్ ద అప్లికేషన్స్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్. సో let me open all the applications, then I'll show you. System information is very important in every laptop because few people will use it for programming, coding, and few people use it for like gaming purpose. All those details, I mean, for a gaming, for a daily use, these are the things they'll be using mainly. But a few Okay, see, I'm trying to open all the applications. I opened Google Chrome. I opened Google Chrome, and then I opened Flipkart. Let me open the Instagram if it opens. Seems it is not installed. Yeah, okay, now it is installed. So this is like I'm opening whichever the applications I'm having. Okay, let me go to applications. Okay, LinkedIn. Mm, if you want, you can connect to my LinkedIn account also, please. Okay, I opened YouTube in the browser. Okay, I opened YouTube on the application as well. You see my video. Please subscribe and share it. Don't forget. And then let me open some more applications. Let me see if I have any applications. Then I will open the task manager. Then I will show you how good this laptop can be handled. As you can see, I opened almost like a few applications. That is, just by clicking, it is coming out the, it is just responding very quickly. Like just ఒకసారి క్లిక్ చేస్తేనే దానిపైన ఆటోమేటిక్గా పాపప్ వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంది ఈజీగా. సో నాకు తెలిసి ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్ దీని గురించి సపరేట్గా చెప్పాలంటే, ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్లో ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ ల్యాప్టాప్. I will tell you the cons which is this laptop having later in the last in this video. Okay, this is Microsoft Clip Jump. This is what I use it for my videos, to edit videos and all. బట్ నేనైతే దీన్ని సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ కొనలేదు. ఎప్పుడు కావాలంటే అప్పుడు వీడియో ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవడం, సో క్లోజ్ చేయడం. బట్ ఇంకోసారి కావాలంటే కింద చూసుకోవచ్చు వీడియోస్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఎడిటెడ్ వీడియోస్. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు టాస్క్ మేనేజర్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను. మీరు చూస్తే మెమొరీ 7.3, 7.9, మేబీ ఇది కరెక్ట్ అక్యురేట్ కాదనుకుంటా. లెట్ మీ ఓపెన్ ఫ్యూ మోర్ అప్లికేషన్స్, దెన్ ఐ కెన్ చెక్ ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలదు అని. సో ఫ్లక్చువేట్ అయితే అవుతుంది, 75, 81, 82. డిస్క్ చూస్తే 2% ఉంది. ఓకే, యా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద అప్లికేషన్స్ రన్నింగ్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ క్లిప్ చాంప్ వచ్చేసి బిగ్ అప్లికేషన్, అండ్ ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్ కూడా. ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అకౌంట్ అయితే లేదు కాబట్టి నో ప్రాబ్లం. లింక్డ్ఇన్ ఈజ్ ఓకే, ఐ మీన్ అది కూడా కొంచెం బిగ్ అప్లికేషనే. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ స్టోర్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను, ఎందుకంటే కొంచెం లోడ్ పెంచుతున్నా. టాస్క్ మేనేజర్లో కొంచెం ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది చూడడానికి అని, అకౌంట్ నాదైతే కాదు, దీన్ని మాత్రం చూడకండి. అండ్ ఇంకో అప్లికేషన్ ఉంటే చూస్తాను. ఓకే, స్టోర్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను. యూట్యూబ్ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు, లైక్ ఏ అప్లికేషన్ క్లిక్ చేసినా ఇమీడియట్గా రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ SSD ఈజ్ వర్కింగ్ వెరీ ఫాస్టర్. Right? SSD means like solid state drive, like it works just like that. Even I'll show you my laptop boot also. It works very, very well actually. I'll show you that in the end of the video or in middle of the video. You can see each and application I'm opening, it is just responding very quickly. I like it very much actually, the performance about it. You can connect if you want my LinkedIn account. ఓకే నౌ టాస్క్ మేనేజర్ మీరు చూస్తే 73% ఉంది అండ్ మెమొరీ యూటిలైజేషన్ వైల్ రన్నింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 92 రైట్.